this video, you are going to learn one of the most important lessons that you could possibly get from this natural healing journey. Are you depressed? Are you overly concerned with every little thing along this path? Are you worried that you're not doing it right? Are you not enjoying yourself? Are you not enjoying your life? In this video, my good friend Miya is going to show you what it is you are missing. Before we get to that, I'm Professor Spira. Practice something called the Mucus Diet Healing System for over 21 years. I've helped thousands of people transform their lives using the methods of the Mucus Diet Healing System. First, what I want you to do, go down below, click the like button, click the subscribe button and the notification button to ensure when we post up new videos that you are able to get access to them before YouTube takes them down, since they love taking down and censoring my videos. Also, for a very limited time, you can get the same training that Miya, Hannah, and their mother Monica got, as well as many other people that helped them transform their lives. Go down below, click the link, join me for this absolutely free training that's gonna help you overcome your fatigue, your bloating, if you got chronic headaches like I used to have, you're overweight or underweight, whatever the issue is, you're going to want to go through this free training session and get brought up to speed with how you can take your own health into your own hands and transform your life. Without further ado, I send it over to Miya, who's going to teach you the value and the importance of having fun on this path. Take it away, Miya.
Hi, my name is Miya, and today I'm going to be making berry bowls. Let's get started. We're going to start with the little bowl first. And over here, we're going to get our little knives. These knives are real, so we're going to be careful not to cut ourselves, because they are really sharp. You can use a little one for smaller berries, but I'm going to start with the strawberry, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to grab the strawberry. You can just wipe the little knife off. We're going to get a nice big blueberry. Okay, the first little berry bowl. So, I'm going to put that little guy aside, and we're going to grab out this one. This one's going to have blackberries in it. That just looks too good. We're going to add one raspberry and 2 blueberries. Okay, we got our second one done. Put that aside. We're going to do our bigger one. We're going to start with a nice bigger. The next layer is going to be blackberries. There's our blackberry layer. We're going to go to our raspberry layer. So, into little pieces so it covers the blackberry. And then we're going to add our blueberry top. And then there's our third one and our mega bowl. We're going to grab a big I'm going to add raspberries. We're going to grab blueberries. These ones we're going to cut in half. Going to get 3 blackberries. If you're allergic to any of the berries, you can replace it with any kind of berry you want. We have our final bowl. We add 1 blueberry on top, a raspberry, a blackberry, and we're gonna chop a strawberry's top off, and a strawberry. There we go. Thank you for watching Berry Bowls, and bye.
Wasn't that adorable? I love those little fruit bowls. This is the new version of the little tea party. You know, growing up, some young people enjoyed may have the little tea party, have their little stuffed animal friends and little imaginary friends sit at the table. But now we have a consciousness. It's not about tea and little biscuits and crumpets. It's about fruit. And then the tiny little knives, and those are real knives too. Little knives, cut up the fruit, make a nice little berry bowl for your little friends and for yourself. Thank you so much, Miya, for showing the people how they can keep their little buddies nice and healthy. You can share a nice little berry bowl with your loved ones. And don't forget, this path is not supposed to be some stoic, I'm cleaning myself up. I'm so determined to get clean. Loosen up. Stop being so obsessed about every little thing. Stop worrying if you're doing everything right. If every little thing that you're putting in your body is perfect, loosen up. Don't worry about that. Don't be so hard on yourself. Enjoy yourself. Embrace this lifestyle. No matter how clean you're eating, you can't heal yourself when you are in a state of anxiety, when you're worried about every little thing, or am I doing enough enemas? Am I eating the right way? Loosen up. Study the material every day. Take the free training. That's what that's for. Get you plugged in to exactly what you need to do if you want to become a master of this particular path, which I believe is the path that humans need right now to rationally eat, rationally fast, systematically transform their blood and body to heights that we have no clue about. Really transform the human body, mind, and spirit. We need berry bowls to do that. We need the fresh fruits. We need the green leafy vegetables. We need to give ourselves permission to practice the transition diet, to eat the cooked mucus-free foods and the mucus-lean foods, and to have fun along the way. Don't be hard on yourself. Don't be so down about everything. Embrace this. That's part of the acceptance of this lifestyle. When you accept it and say, look, I get it. I've seen where the other lifestyles go. We've seen time and time again where all those other, from the ketos and the this and that and the carnivore and whatever, standard diet, standard anywhere diet. We see where those have gone and it never ends well. This path gives us a chance to do something else. This path gives us the chance at physiological salvation, a transformation of the bloodline that is really unfathomable to us right now of what this actually means, how important this is. But to make this successful, it's so important to continue to have fun, enjoy your life, enjoy this process, enjoy the unfolding, and share that joy with others. That's what's going to get people to really be interested in this lifestyle, to take it seriously, and to not be so obsessed, not be so critical about every little thing. That's not what this is about. This is about having fun. This is about becoming a better person, cultivating your character. And as we do that, we change the world. But thank you so much for tuning in. Again, go down below, click those links to the free training, hit the like button and the subscribe button. We will see you again very soon. And before you go, right here is another video that was created specifically for you. Click right here, and I'm gonna see you over there. Peace, love, and breath.